In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sign-up page in Webflow easily. To start off, the first thing you'll need to do is open your favorite web browser and head over to Webflow's official website. If you're unfamiliar with Webflow, it's a great visual platform for designing and building custom websites. Once you've reached the site, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to enter your credentials. It's important to ensure you're logging into the right workspace, especially if you have multiple accounts or manage several projects. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub on Webflow. Here, you can see all the projects you're currently working on. Look through the list of projects and click on the one where you'd like to create your sign-up page. The project will open, and you'll have access to all its components and settings. Now, focus your attention on the left side of your screen. You'll see various options there. One of them is labeled Apps. Click on Apps to access the different integrations you can use with your project. Webflow has many app integrations available, but for a sign-up page, we'll focus on adding membership capabilities. This is where MemberStack comes in handy. With the App section open, next, you'll need to search for MemberStack. MemberStack is a powerful tool that allows you to add user accounts and memberships to your Webflow site effortlessly. In the search bar, type MemberStack and wait for the results to appear. When you locate the MemberStack option in the list, simply click on it to view more details about the app. After clicking on MemberStack, a new window will appear with more information about the integration. Here you can explore the potential of MemberStack and how it can enhance your website by allowing user signups and logins. To proceed, you'll see the Install button prominently displayed. Click Install to add MemberStack to your project. Follow any prompts that may appear to complete the installation process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've integrated MemberStack into your Webflow project, which is the first step toward creating a dynamic and interactive sign-up page. This integration lays the foundation for adding user-specific features and managing your members efficiently. Remember, the key to a successful sign-up page is not just the functionality, but also the design. So take some time to ensure it aligns with your site's overall aesthetic. Happy designing, and enjoy building your innovative sign-up page on Webflow.